Hi, today I'm going to show you how to use AI to transcribe YouTube videos into blog posts, and this is going to be a very simple explanation. We're going to use ChatGPT, we're going to use this tool called YouTubeTranscript.io, and I will use my own YouTube videos to show you how it works in practice. This will save you a lot of time if you have a blog post or you want to improve the SEO on your website with adding new articles. You just need to have the existing video ready and AI will do 90% of the work for us. So let's choose this video for example. This is a 15-minute lesson of me explaining how to use AI and LLMs, and I will just copy this link, and it's a very deep explanation here. I go into details on many different topics, and I want to show you how AI can analyze that text and give us a very good first draft of the text, and then I will show you how to optimize it so we can have a ready to use blog post. Once I copied the link, I will go to this tool and I will just paste it here and click on extract transcript, and we'll have to copy the transcript here. Now let's prompt ChatGPT so it understands what we're trying to achieve here. I will press this dictate button and I will talk about it. It doesn't have to be perfect. Hey, I have YouTube channel with lots of tutorials and I want to turn them into blog posts. Can you help me structure the YouTube transcript that I'm going to share with you into a ready to use text that I can publish on my website? Thank you so much. Okay, so this is the first prompt. It's very easy, straight to the point, and now ChatGPT will ask us to send the transcript here. As you can see, ChatGPT also asked me if we want an SEO optimized meta title and description. We don't need this for this use case, but I'll just paste the transcript here and let's press enter and let's see what can it come up with. It has a good introduction so far. If you ever felt lost when people start talking about AI chatbots or LLMs, this guide is for you. By the end of this article, so it already gives us a context of what they're going to learn in this article, and then it broke it down into multiple segments here. So we have the what is artificial intelligence, the core idea behind AI systems, the branches of AI, what are LLMs, why are they powerful, how do LLMs work, etc. So it broke down all of the things that I mentioned throughout the video. Before we even analyze the text, I see that I don't like a few things on how this is formatted. For example, I don't like these emojis. I don't like these lines that ChatGPT usually uses. You can see it's almost in every single section. It's right here, but maybe here I would like to replace it with a comma or a dot. For these text, I want them to be header 3 because ChatGPT by default will set it to header 2 and it will mess up the CRM. And for this final thoughts part, I mentioned in the video that they can book a discovery call with me, but in this case I don't want to use that because it's going to be on our blog, so I would like to remove that as well. So now let's type all of the things that we want to change in formatting so we can ask him to give us another version of it. So first of all, I would like to replace this symbol with a dot or a comma. It will make it sound more human-like. The second thing is for headers. We want to format them as H3, which is heading 3 in formatting, without bold effect. Number 3, in the conclusion part, I want to remove the call to action to book a call. And number 4 is to remove the emojis from the titles. Can you please send me the updated version now? So that's it. Now we should have another version without any of these 4. Beginner's Guide to Understanding AI and LLMs. And as you can see, we don't have any emojis. We don't have those lines in between words. Headers are now set to header 3 instead of header 2. And in the last part, we don't have the call to action. So now something like this is ready to be copied into our CRM. I will paste it here in my Notion just to check it out. And as you can see, it's already formatted well. Once we have this, we can just do the final human check and this whole blog post is ready. Something like this would take you at least a few hours to write if you were to write it yourself. Now with help of AI, we can do it in just a few minutes per blog post. And this is very, very useful. If you have a big library of YouTube videos, you can add them one by one and it will generate articles for you without any effort on your side. And let's test it out with another video right now. So let's copy and paste this video, for example. Let's get a transcript. Let's copy it. And now when we add another one, it should follow all of the 4 rules that we already set above. And now we can just copy and paste all of the new ones and have an even faster workflow. So as you can see, it already mentioned that it won't use all of the 4 things that we mentioned, and we can just copy and paste it and have a very, very fast way of producing new content for a website. Please keep in mind, if you have any sensitive data, don't put it straight into ChatGPT, and check all of these posts before publishing, because human touch is always valued in this kind of creation. AI isn't perfect, but this is something that can save you 95% of the work, and you can fine-tune the text by yourself. So that's it for this tutorial. If you have any additional questions, leave them in the comments below. And if you want to work with me one-on-one, schedule the call and I'll be glad to talk to you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.